EPS2 Part 6. Hungry condition is normal. Living things are always ready to grow. Stream is horizontal condition. Attached algae grow on the river bed. This water flow into a lake. This is a boundary between river and lake. There is a transition site. Suitable organisms grow at new environment. All living organisms are in a hungry condition, always waiting for an opportunity to reproduce. I noticed that hungry condition is normal. We can easily find out clean delicious spring water in mountainous country of Japan. We also find clear subsurface water in a river bed. These delicious clean water is purified by natural process of biological community. Dissolve oxygen is important for biological community. In severe cold region there are covered filters. In case of covered filter, biological activity is weak. Even the activity is weak, this condition is gentle for small organisms. The filtrate is good. The key is gentle for small organisms. I remember the explanation in Berlin filter, it was written in Baker's book The Quest for Pure Water. Reduction of bacteria in open filters is effective and more clear filtrate water in comparison with open and covered filters. This means the purification performance depends on biological activity. I checked the effect of open filter on a covered filter. Filter resistance of open filter did not increase. Algae grow well. Grazing animals worked well near the surface. Filter resistance of covered filter increased almost every day. There was no growth of algae and was little food for grazing animals. Suspended solid accumulated on the sand surface and resistance gradually increased. Purification by slow sand filter is done by the biological communities. Dissolved substances that organisms react with are broken down. In case of mechanical filter treated by algicide, reduction of particulate matter was done by small size of sand. However, dissolved substances pass through. This filtrate is not delicious. I checked the cleanness of filtrate during algal growth on the filter bed. Algae grow rapidly after scrape the surface. The biomass reached almost maximum about 10 days in summer in my city of Ueda, Nagano. Small suspended matter which was measured by chlorophyll. At the beginning, small fragment of algae leaks. Then, this leakage matter rapidly decreased until 10 days. The turbidity became almost none. This concentration became 0.000 degree per little. We supposed this cleanness was dependent on the grazing animals. The filamentous diatom Melisira grows predominantly and develops into a cotton-like shape on the sand surface. The algae mat floats along with the inflowing turbidity due to the buoyancy of oxygen bubbles caused by photosynthesis. Outflow from overflow pipe. It becomes a continuous culture system. It also serves as an automatic garbage collector. Underwater the sand is clean and uncontaminated. The sand gets dirty because the water is pulled down. The sand layer is similar to the forest soil profile. Food for organisms comes from the surface. Organisms living on the surface and beneath it are not the same. Different creatures are active. Creatures that are suitable for that food will be active. Vertical flow from top to bottom. The most important thing is that the sand does not move. Microscopic organisms that attach to the sand surface can play an active role with peace of mind. Completely decompose things that can be biodegraded. Most of small organisms live on the surface of substrata sand particle under slow current condition. They live at the top of sand layer where food comes. They are always waiting for food. They are hungry. Large surface area is better. Small sand is better. Surface area of a ball is 3.14 times than flat area. Total surface area of top layer of balls is always same of 3.14 times than flat area. Smaller ball makes larger area. And total volume of balls is always same of 52%, porosity, 48% in a box. Filter resistance increases towards smaller size of particle. Viscosity relates to temperature. The points: shallow depth, enough radiation on the bottom. Rapid growth. Even large size of sand. We confirmed the performance by the model experiment in Samoa.